So point O is the center of the circle above, and the measure of angle OAB is 30 degrees. Okay, so this is 30 degrees. If the length of OC is 18, what is the length of arc AB? So I want to find what the arc of AB is. Okay, so first, we can find that. This is 30 degrees, but since both of these are the radius, then I know for sure, so similar to what we saw in lines and angles, that the sides are as opposite to their corresponding angles. So if this is 30 degrees, then this will also be 30 degrees. And then with that information, that this must be 120 degrees, because 120 plus 30, it's 180 degrees. I also know this is also the radius because it's coming out from the center of the circle to an endpoint will give me the radius. So next, I just want to find what the arc is. So let's go ahead and do that. And how do you calculate the arc? Well, the formula was that you take x over 360 multiplied by the circumference formula. So here we have 120 over 360 times 2 times the radius. Um, so this is 12 over 36, which reduces to 1/3 times 36 pi, which is going to be equal to 12 pi. And that would be our amazing answer. Hi guys, I'm Jackie. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe if you like this video and you want to keep getting more amazing SAT questions. Thank you again and have an amazing day.